Hi, I'm Bilal, co-founder and CEO of Build. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of Build. Build can help you create professional invoices, estimates, track time, manage your projects, and track your expenses. Build can also help you manage your finances easily in one place. So let's get started. So this is the dashboard where you can see all the information quickly about your business. You have different charts, etc. You have the activity pane where you can see the recent activity in your account. You can see your top selling products. You can see the recent invoices and the outstanding invoices. You can see the duration from here. And this is the top bar from where you can quickly search your clients, and you can start the timer from here. And if you want to create an invoice, expense estimate, or a project quickly, you can do that from here. So let's move on to clients. This is where you can manage all of your clients. You can export them, you can add new clients, or see information about the existing clients. So when you click on a client, you can see all the information related to them. You can see outstanding revenue, you can see their invoices, expenses, estimates, and projects. And you can quickly create new invoices, expenses, etc. Now let's move on to invoices. On the invoices, you can quickly see all the stats for the invoices. You can see total invoice amount collected, remaining, and overdue. And you can see all the invoices from here, and you can see which ones were paid and which ones were sent, ones are overdue. And in the recurring templates, you can see the recurring invoices, recurring templates that we have created, and you can see all the details related to them. You can quickly filter the invoices from here, and if you want to create a new invoice, it is really easy. All you have to do is click on create invoice button, and you'll be able to create an invoice from here. You can select the client for which you want to add or create the invoice, and if there is any unbilled expense for this client, you will be notified, and you will be able to do add that expense from here. So you can see that the expense has been added, and if you want to add other line items, you can add that from here. And you can add discounts if you want. You can attach photos if you want. You can add signatures, etc. And you can choose from different invoice templates from here. You can make the invoice recurring. You can charge late fees, add scheduled payments. You can set up automated payment reminders, and you can allow partial payments on this, and you can select the payment modes from here. Once you have set up all the information related to this invoice, you can uh, create and save this invoice. And once you have created the invoice, you can see all the different options like send invoice, uh, mark paid, add payments, etc. for this invoice. If you can quickly see the invoice activity from here. Now let's move on to payments. In the payments, you'll be able to see all the payments recorded for your invoices, and you will be able to edit and delete them from here. Now let's move on to expenses, where you can track all of your business expenses, and you can approve expenses from your teammates as well. When you add your teammates, they'll be able to track their expenses, and you'll be able to approve or reject them from here. So you can click on new expense button to track a new expense, add a merchant, add purpose, select date, and add the expense amount, select the category, and attach any receipts if you have. And if you want to make this expense billable, you can do that from here, and you can select the client for this expense, and you can mark up this expense as well. So I'll save this expense. I can also export all the expenses from here. I just have to click on this export button, and all the expenses will be exported in a CSV file. Now let's move on to estimates. Estimates can help you win more jobs, and you can easily create a new estimate from here. You can add all the details like line items, discounts, choose the client, choose the template, etc. And once you have created the estimate, you can click on send estimate button to send the estimate. And if you have already created an estimate, you can see their status from here, and if it has been accepted or rejected, and you can send the estimate from here as well. You can preview it from here. You can download this estimate as a PDF, or you can print the estimate as well. Now let's move on to time tracking. From here, you will be able to track your time, and when you add your teammates, they will also be able to track their time as well for the projects and tasks. So if you want to add a manual entry, you can do that from here. All you have to do is click on this, choose a project, and select task, add time, duration, and choose if this is billable or not. And once you are done, click on this button to save this time entry, or you can click on start timer button to start the timer when you are working on something, and the timer will start showing here in the top bar. And once you are done for the task, you can click on this button and select the project and tasks to log this time. There are different views for the time tracking. You can see a day view, week view, month view of the time, and you can see you will be able to see how much time you have tracked for each day in the monthly view. Now let's move on to projects. This is where you can manage your projects. You can create as many projects as you want. There's no limit on that. And you can invite your teammates to so you can collaborate with them on the projects. So this is the project screen where you can see the project budget, the amount I we have built so far, and the remaining amount, how much time is billable. You can see all the tasks from here. You can click on any task to see the details, and you can also see time log entries for the task, etc. So this the project management in build. If you want to add tasks for this project, you can click on add task button to add a task quickly. If you want to create invoice for unbilled time or tasks for this project, you can click on create invoice, and you will be able to create an invoice from for this project from here. In the my team section, you can invite your teammates, your manager, or your accountant to the to build. All you have to do is click on invite member, and you can invite someone as an admin, you can invite someone as a manager, you can invite someone as an employee or a contractor. Next up is reports. In here you can see all different reports related to your business. You can see invoice reports, you can see expense report, you can see item sales, payments collected, etc. And we are adding a lot more reports in this section. Next up is settings, where you can manage all of your business settings. You can set up email templates. You can change and customize these email templates. You can change your business settings. You can manage your brands and and integrate with other platforms, etc. So we have three integrations right now: Zapier, PayPal, and Stripe. You can accept payments on your invoices with Stripe and PayPal, and you can connect with any app you want using our Zapier integration. So this was a quick overview